Print-on-demand shirts are one good way to make passive income from home. I have personally made almost $1,000 monthly from print-on-demand shirts. Today, I'm going to show you easy steps to create your own print-on-demand shirts and list them on Etsy. So let's go. All right, guys. So the first place I'm going to take you to is my Etsy store. And I'm going to kind of show you guys what I have listed. You can see that I have only digital items listed here. Okay, so the next place we'll now go to is Printify. Now, if you do not have a Printify account, I encourage you to open one. It is free. You can open your Printify account free. And an Etsy store, Etsy account. So you open an Etsy account, it is free of charge, and you open a Printify account, which is also free. Okay, so guys, I have connected two of my accounts to Printify, but I'm going to just show you how you can connect your Etsy store to Printify to link both accounts together. So you go here and then you go to add new store. Okay, so you can see all the stores here. You can even add a TikTok store, Shopify, eBay, Squarespace, Walmart, Etsy, which is the one we're going to connect to. Okay, and you just click on it. It is very easy. Once you click on it, you just put in your Etsy login details. You get the one-time code, and then you connect both together. So it's super easy, and I have that connected already. So guys, here is the dashboard. This is your landing page where you would see when you open Printify. And you can see that Printify has a lot of stuff. You can see it's got the stickers, it's got the candles, shirts, phone cases, and everything in between. So now this is what we want to do. So we want to list, and what we're going to do is we're going to go to catalogs. So let's say today we're trying to list t-shirts. Okay, so we're going to go here and click on t-shirts, and then it's going to show us like a full list of t-shirts, and you can see the prices. So Printify would show you the prices. This one, for example, it's got express delivery. That means that your customers can get it ASAP. Um, and look, from 864 US dollars when printed. Okay, and this one is from $10. This one is from $14. So you kind of just select which one you prefer. Okay, and also the quality. I love this one because it comes with a variety of colors, like 121 colors. And the print is provided by 20 print providers, and it also has express delivery. So let's go ahead and click on this one. Okay, and you can see over here. So the next thing you want to start doing is to start designing. So Printify would choose its network of providers. Default, you can choose manually as well. So you can just go. Monster Digital is very, very common, and they're very, very reliable. So I use Monster Digital all the time. So I'm going to use Monster Digital. So I encourage you guys to always use Monster Digital. So now Printify is telling us that they now have a product creator, and you can create your designs on Printify, but we're not going to be creating our designs on Printify. So I'm going to just click on explore myself. And so guys, the next place we're going to now, we're going to Canva. So on Canva, I already wrote t-shirt. So let me show you what I did. I just typed t-shirt on Canva. Okay. And guys, if you don't have a Canva account, where have you been? Are you on this planet? But go ahead and click enter. And it's going to show you like a couple of designs. So I'm going to use a simple design for us today. Okay, you guys can go ahead and design it however you want it. Okay, so we're just going to go scroll, see something that works. You know what, guys, let's use this one that says retro. And so we're going to click on customize templates. All right. Now we have it here, and I like how it looks. Okay. And just off the top of my head, I want to write loved. Okay. So this one will be E. Just gonna kind of change it because this one come in different colors. So we're just gonna change it one after the other. O V E. So loved. And over here, the same thing, loved. And here, I want to write 316. Who can guess what that means? That's like John 3:16. Okay. So loved, loved, loved. So now, guys, what we're going to do now is click on share. Okay. Now we're going to download. Now, I want you guys to increase this. Okay. So that you can have very high quality. So you increase this and click on transparent background. Okay, guys, remember to click on transparent background because you don't want this white showing. We just want the design. Okay. Actually, I think I need to move this V a little bit. There. Okay. So let's go. Click on it again. Download transparent background. Increase this to over 2000 by over 2000. So I think, yeah, let's do 2333 like that. And then just click download. So you can see, guys, it's super easy. Now we're going to go back to Printify. And here we're going to click upload. Okay. From my device, you see, you can upload from your Google Drive. You can upload from Dropbox. And then I'm going to just upload the design that I just created. So we're just going to wait for it to upload. And guys, you can see how what it already looks like. And you can drag it so that it can fill that box. Okay. You can drag it. I want it to fill the box. So I'm going to drag it. And guys, please note that now as I am looking at it, it's not aligned. The E and the V is not aligned. So make sure yours is aligned. Okay. All right. So now we're going to select the variants, select the colors you want. You can select as many colors as you want. I love the ash. I love the gray. Actually, it's blending too much with the gray. Now, what you can do with this is in your Canva design, you can go back and change this to white so that you can have two designs because because when you want to list the black ones, for example, you can see the gray, the black letters are blending with the color. So you go to Canva over here. Let me just show you guys what you're going to do. When you come to Canva, you go to Canva here, and then you just click on this, change the color to white. Okay. So when you download it, you'll be able to use it on this color, on the dark gray, the dark colors. So here, this one, we're going to use this one for this colors. Okay. Um, actually, I don't like this color. Anyway, so let's just select those colors. Okay. The sizes, yes, we want all the sizes. And so, okay, so guys, here you can see the back. If you want this, if you want a design on the back of the shirt, this is where you put it as well. The neck label, if you want your logo or something, you can upload your logo as well. Just go to the upload and you can put your logo here. So it's customizable. You can customize it as much as you want to. Okay. Now I'm going to click on preview over here, and we're just going to see, let's close this. And we're just going to see how the shirt is going to turn out. So guys, you can see what it looks like. Okay. And I love it. I love what it looks like. Okay. So we're just gonna go back and edit. And guys, I want to edit this because I want it to be aligned. I want to align it. I just can't breathe without aligning it. So let's just align it. There we go. And move the E. Come on. I'm trying to move you a little bit, just a little bit, buddy. Oh, there we go. So everything is aligned now. I'm going to go ahead and re-download it. I'm going to go ahead and re-download it. Transparent background. Remember that. All right. So I'm going to go back here. Front side. We're going to change the design because I don't like that design. So upload my device. We're just going to change that design, guys. Good. So I'm going to take this one and delete it. And we're going to bring this one up here. And increase it to feel the box. Remember, your design should not go out of those black dotted boxes, that black dotted box. Anyway, so we have the colors, we have the variants. I love what it looks like. Let us preview it. Let us preview it again. So we're going to preview it again. All right, good. So I love what it looks like. And we're going to click Save Product now. Okay, Save Product. And this is where you choose your mockups. Okay, I love all the mockups over here. You download them. And they will be listed. So you see, you don't have to create your own mockups, right? Okay. So now we're going to click on Save Selection. So you can see the product description already done for you. The title already done for you. Everything is already done for you. Okay. You can see the price. So we're going to go to the pricing. This is for the shipping methods. Okay. I'm going to click on standard is perfect. Shipping profile, automatically assign a new shipping profile, which is good. So we're clicking on free shipping because we want to give our customers free shipping. And so now you can see the prices. So this is the price and this will be your profit. Okay, so if you list at this price, this will be your profit. You can change the price and so that it will increase your profit margin or however. Okay, so you select all. I like the price the way it is. You sync everything. You sync the product title, only show in stock variants. If you wanted to show all variants, even the ones that are not in stock, that's fine. And we're going to click on publish. Okay. So now it is published. You can order your sample, but I do not want to order any sample. And then you go to Etsy, you refresh, and you should see it on your listing. If it's not yet on your listing, just wait a while, just wait a minute. Maybe 20 minutes, and you would be able to see it on your Etsy listing. There you go. So you see it now. It's now on our Etsy listing. You can view it on Etsy, and look, you have it. So guys, that is how to create and list t-shirts on Etsy. So remember guys, you have to market your stuff. You have to let people know you have those things listed. You have to use Etsy ads. You have to push it into the faces of people, order samples, wear them, make videos with them, put them on social media. You have to really, really market your stuff to make sales. Okay, you cannot just list it and leave it there. All right guys, I hope this video has been of value to you. I'll see you in the next one.